Our real strength, where is our real strength? Can you tell me?
Sir, inside us.
Where inside? Inside our
Sir, in mind.
intestine? I am not clear. Where lies our real strength? Can you tell me? Hmm?
Sir, in brain.
Where in brain? You iterate different types of things in your brain. Is that real strength? You memorize a lot of things in your brain. Is that important? Our real strength is in our thoughts, in our thinking capacity. How much can we think? Without thinking, there would be no possibility of any invention. When a man first saw a bird flying in the sky, a thought came into his mind, can I fly like that bird? And then he started thinking, how can it be possible? And today you have aeroplanes. This, when there was darkness all around, there was no electricity. We used to light fire in the form of lanterns, lamps, using uh, uh, oil or other things. Then man thought to remove that darkness, and he started thinking, how can it be possible? And then he invented electricity. When Dr. Ronald Ross, if you are a student of bio, I think definitely you would have heard the name of Dr. Ronald Ross. When he saw people dying from malaria, that time malaria was unknown. So, and he was not able to save the lives of people. So that time he thought, I am a doctor. Can I do nothing for these dying people? And then he started thinking about it, and he discovered the real reason of malaria, and he invented the medicine for it. So, you know, thinking, I think this is the great thing, and this is very important thing. A businessman thinks how he can develop his business. A teacher thinks how he can make his teaching effective, impressive, so that it can be fruitful. But when our teachers, unfortunately, they are not able to think how to develop the mind of the children, you know what do they have spoiled mind, and they also spoiled the children, not only the children but the future of the country. That happens in our schools and colleges, and you are the victims of it. सो अभी जैसे गौरव ने बोला ना कि सर आज हमें किस चीज में ट्रेंड करोगे आप. सो मैं हमेशा आपको आई ऑलवेज ट्राई टू ट्रेन, I always try to strengthen your thinking capacity so that you can think over different things. A doctor thinks about his patients, and he thinks about the diseases, and he thinks about the solutions, about the treatment, about the medicines that can cure that disease. But unfortunately, and I think we should have this thinking in our education field so that we can make our students, our children, our generation to think properly. But I'm afraid to say that wherever I see it nowhere. So, my dear ones, train your mind, have good habits, and think about you, about your capabilities, about your capacities, about your potential, and think also what you can do in realistic manner. So yesterday we were talking about the education system, where we found that there are so many levels like nursery level, primary level, pre-primary level, primary level, middle level, secondary level, higher secondary level, and higher education, where we get our college education or university. We go to university for our higher education. So we talked about it yesterday much, and you expressed your thought about it. But my question is that what is the level that is too much important in this journey of our, in this fake journey of our education? What is the level that is the most important? Can you answer me?
So 11, 12.
Yes, very nice. After passing 12th class, when you choose a stream like commerce or arts or science, means by that time you have decided that what you have to do in your life, where you have to go, what is the goal or aim of your life, whether you want to be a doctor, teacher, engineer, or whatever. There are so many things. And it is my experience that at that level, there are very few students. There are very few students who choose the subjects according to their abilities, according to their potential. Most of the time, it has been seen that students are forced. First, our students are not able to think which subject they want to take because they have no thinking capacity. But this is not the fault of our students, our children. This is the fault of the system that only runs after marks. So there are very few students who are able to choose their subjects, that I have to take mathematics, or I have to take bio, or I have to take arts, and in arts I have to take these subjects, and I have to go to the accounts line, so I have to choose commerce. I have to become an IAS officer. I want to become an RAS officer. So that is why I want to take the art subjects. And some go to professional courses. And that time I have seen it that there are very few students who choose their own subjects, but most of the students are forced to choose the subject according to their parents or according to their schools. So they face a lot of problems. Sometimes I have seen it that a student wants to take commerce, but their parents force that student to take science mathematics. Though he says again and again that I'm not fit for this subject, I'm not comfortable. But they say that no, no, you know that Sharmaji's son has become an engineer and he is earning 1 lakh rupees per month. You also must become an engineer. अरे भैया, है हाथी को पेड़ पे चढ़ाना सिखाओगे, मरोगे. तुम मरोगे जो मरोगे, ये बेचारा बच्चा मर जाएगा। तो कुल मिलाकर के बात ये है कि एंड समटाइम्स some students choose the subject according to their friends. My friend has taken science bio, I will also take it. अरे भाई, there may be difference यार. He may be good at science, but you are not good. He has got 99 marks out of 100 in science subject, but you are passed by grace yaar. Huh? And sometimes they think that after taking the optional subject they can become stronger in that subject where they are weak. Like some students take English literature. Why have you taken English literature? Sir, because I want to improve my English. Sir, my English is very weak, I passed with grace. So someone told me that choose English literature so that it can be. What is this? So some says that, sir, my mathematics is not good. I am supplementary in mathematics in 10th class. So that is why I have chosen mathematics so that I can improve my mathematics. What is this? So today, I have spoken from the last 11 minutes. And now I want you to express your views regarding this thing. That what should we do at the time of choosing the subject after passing 10th class? And what do you think that, what are the problems that you face at that time? So I think the topic is clear to you. So listen to others carefully, and then when your turn comes, please try to give your best. Thank you very much. So I think I have no name today. This is a very strange thing. Yes, now I have got the name of Rakshit, and please start giving your names. हम लोग भी सोचते हो कि ये टॉपिक थोड़े से तो आएंगे ना, ऐसे तुम भी जल्दी जल्दी नाम डालने लग गए अपने में। टॉपिक बोलता हूँ उससे पहले तुम्हारे नाम आ जाते हैं। तो मैं बताऊं तुम्हारे को, बेटा हो, लोग कहते हैं कि गुरु तो गुड़ ही रह गए, चेला शक्कर हो गए। ये केवल कहने की बात है बेटा, गुरु तो गुरु ही रहेगा। ध्यान रखना इस बात को। समझ में आ गई बात? ये गुरु वो नहीं है जो शक्कर के सामने फीका पड़ जाएगा बेटा, और शक्कर कभी भी गुड़ से आगे नहीं जा सकती है। इस बात को हमेशा ध्यान रखना। कोशिश करोगे तो पछताओगे, ठीक है? सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आई एम कॉलिंग रक्षित. कम ऑन रक्षित.
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Rakshit Mora, and today I am giving or I am expressing my views on the topic that how should we choose our stream after 10th class or after 12th class, like for graduation. So this is a very important part in a student's life when he passes a 10th class or 12th class, that in which stream or in which field he or she wants to go, or he or she should go. So this is a big question, and in this dilemma, many choose the wrong subjects and get frustrated. But if a person takes a subject with proper calculation, he will do his or her he will do his best in that subject. Like there are certain criterias so that you can judge that which subject you should take. Like the first criteria is in which subject you have interest. Like we know that mainly there are three subjects after 10th class which a student has to choose to pursue his further studies. So the three subjects are science, commerce, and maths. Science, commerce, and arts. So in these subjects, there are different things to study, and we know that every student has a different interest in different subjects. Like someone likes to study science, someone likes to study arts or commerce. So first criteria is that first criteria is that a student should identify in which subject he or she has interest. So after identifying it, the other criteria comes is in which subject the student scores more, or the student can score more and can do his or her good in that subject. And So by these criteria, a student should take the subject. Uh, but this not ends. This is not the ending. This is the beginning. And after choosing the subject, the student should try to do his or her best in that subject. Because if a student takes a subject with a and does nothing in that subject, it will be it will be useless or worthless him or her to for him or her in his or her career life. But if a student takes any of the subjects and does his or her best, it will be very fruitful and useful for him or her in his or her career life.
Hmm.
So, but now, as we can see that our Indian society is built different. It is not for beginners. Like we know that in our Indian society, there is also the culture of copying. The student is the like the that student is taking science, so you should also take science. Not all parents do this, but some parents do this. But this is absolutely wrong. And uh, and the other thing is, some students take subjects according to the interest of his or her friends. Like,
Hmm.
my friend is taking this subject, so I should also take this subject,
Hmm.
so we can study together. But this is not good. Because you have to study in that subject. Your friend is not there for you to study your to
Yes.
study.
Yeah. Right. Very.
You
Very
should
good.
own have to study this.
Hmm.
So your friend will not do anything to make you study in that subject. It's up to you. So these are the two things under the pressure of parents and for copying the friends. So these two things, every student should not no student should take should take his or her subject in 11th 12th class, uh, or a subject for graduation. Uh, so this is the whole thing. And we should have to change this culture of education in the Indian education system, because the Indian education system is deteriorating day by day, and
Shabash.
this is not good.
Hmm.
And we have to change thing. And to change this, the first thing we should take, the first thing everyone should take is to get out of the culture of iteration, and should get into the culture of understanding from the beginning of the career of a student's life.
Hmm.
Like from nursery. From nursery, a student should be taught in such a way that he should and teachers and parents should make the student understand that you should understand it, not iterate it, that it is A for apple, B for ball. uh, and students should be made capable of thinking about a thing, not by iterating thing. And so this is the whole thing. And if everyone should try to change the system, we can change the system. That's it, sir.
Very good. शाबाश यार, बहुत बढ़िया. Yes, come on, Anuj. सुना करो ध्यान से एक दूसरे को, रटा मत करो बैठे बैठे कहीं सोच रहे हो अपना ना, गलती कर बैठोगे. सुनो दूसरों को आप. यस अनुज. अनुज. अनुज भैया.
Sorry, madam.
Okay. So okay, come on, Gaurav.
मेरे पहले तो अंजलि का नाम है.
अच्छा अंजू. अच्छा अंजू है क्या ये? मुझे लगा अनुज है. ओके. अंजू सॉरी सॉरी सॉरी. आ जाओ अंजू, आ जाओ.
So hello everyone, my name is Anjali Meena and today's topic is how children take the wrong stream in 12th class.
कृपया करके आप
11th
बैठ
class.
जाएं एक स्थान पर.
Okay.
बैठ जाएं आराम से, आप आराम से मोबाइल को रख दें सामने. वेरी गुड. क्या क्या सिखाना पड़ता है मेरे को बताओ बच्चों को. हाँ अब बोलो. ऐसे. वेरी गुड. शाबाश. बॉल को नीचे रख दे. ऐसे. अब देख कितनी अच्छी लग रही है. हैं? अब बोल, फ्रॉक भी तो दिखनी चाहिए ना तेरी किसी को। नई फ्रॉक पहनी है तूने, बोल, बधाई हो तेरे को। किसकी है वैसे फ्रॉक?
राइट, फ्रॉक नहीं है, टॉप भी नहीं है, टी शर्ट है ये।
टी शर्ट है? ओ भाई, मुझे तो क्या पता
हाँ
यार, मेरे को तो। ओके ओके, तेरी है ना?
हाँ,
ठीक है, चल बोल। हाँ हाँ
मेरी तो होगी।
हाँ हाँ, बिल्कुल बोल।
Yes, sir. So, hello everyone. My name is Anjali Menon, and today's topic is how children take wrong stream in 11th class. So, children take wrong stream by parents because they said you have to take these subjects, this time of engineering because Sharma ji's boy may have a engineering
Has become
subject.
an, हाँ
So you
ओके,
have to
आराम से आराम से आराम से आराम, इतना गुस्सा मत करे, आराम से बोल। हाँ
and so they say that I have no interest in that and I have to wanted a
I have to become a,
artist.
okay,
So they will say that no. What you will do to by becoming an artist? So they forcefully give the children engineering subject. And he will fail. So children's parents name got bad.
आराम से,
And
आगे सेट कर
these
लेना थोड़े से। हाँ
and their name got bad because of their own mistake by forcing the child to take that subject only, that stream. So they have its own mistake, but they don't accept it and said that this is the mistake of him. Because he don't study, he always paints and he have no interest in study.
ई के साथ
Like
ऐसा
that
आता है, नहीं आता?
they never accept their mistake. But not almost all parents. Some parents are who ask the child to ask the child which stream you have to take, in which subject you have interest. If by chance he is painter, they will say that okay. So these parents are, I think, good, and all parents are think
आर क्यों
also.
आएगा? थिंक आएगा, आर क्यों लगा रही है? थोड़ा सा ग्रामर
I
पे भी तो, हाँ थोड़ा सा ग्रामर पे भी तो फोकस कर।
I think that all people, parents ask their children in which subject or which stream you have interest. So that's it.
ओके, वेरी गुड। थोड़ा सा सेंटेंस पे फोकस करो बेटा, थोड़ा सा ठीक से बनाया करो सेंटेंस, है ना? सुना करो आप सब लोगों को, तो पता चलेगा आपको बहुत अच्छे से कि क्या कैसे होता है। यस, कम ऑन गौरव।
Sir. So hello everyone, I'm Gaurav here and my today's topic is that why students are forced to take the wrong stream. So in the previous speaking session, we talked about the stages of the school in which there was a time that when a child has to take a stream in or a subject in which he or she is strong. So some some can't even choose themselves that what stream they have to choose, but some
तो बैठ जाना आराम से, तो इतना हिल क्यों रहा है?
willing.
इतना आगे पीछे क्यों हो रहा है? तू बैठ नहीं सकता आराम से एक जगह? अब बोल बैठ के। हाँ
Yes, sir. And but some who are willing to take a stream are forced to take another stream like math, science, and obviously they are forced by their parents or their friends are uh, and they are not forced by friends. They he or she sees them taking that stream, so he also takes that stream. And also, even sometimes he gets forced by the school also. And a parent say that this has no scope, this has scope, go in this stream, you will get a high salary job,
Hmm.
even if you have no interest.
No interest if
And
you are no interest.
also,
हाँ बोलो बोलो.
if some take their willings, take their favorite stream or in the subject they're strong, but they they fail to do it. Like if we are supportive parents but not any talent,
Hmm.
that's what some people have. And because I am lacking out of ideas today, so that's it. Thanks, sir.
Very good. थोड़ा सा और फोकस करो सेंटेंस फ्रेमिंग पे, है ना. थॉट्स तो अच्छे ही हैं, थोड़ा सा सेंटेंस फ्रेमिंग पे और फोकस करो थोड़ा सा. सुनते हो अपनी रिकॉर्डिंग? नहीं सुनते हो? नहीं सुनते हो? सुना करो. मेरे पास बहुत सारे इलाज है पता करने के कि सुनते हो कि नहीं सुनते हो तुम. जस्ट कम ऑन लक्ष्मी.
Yes, sir. My name is Lakshmi Gujjar. Today our topic is how should a student choose their field after 10th class. And according to me, I am expressing my view about it. And sometimes students feel pressure because of their parents and also teachers, because they force them to take this subject according their interest. And some student choose their subject according to their parents, that's why, so that they can't go ahead in the field, but they choose according to their parents. And sometimes student student choose their field from their field according to the teacher. And a student also choose their field. A student should choose their field according their interest and their future goal and their ability and also their strengths. And he after that a student after that students can grow in the field that they have chosen. And according and a student should choose a subject wisely by a student choose a subject wisely by by considering a goal. And student don't take don't take stress and anxiety by choosing wrong subject. And as you know that there are many field after 10th class. Some students want to go in the business, they choose commerce. And some parents force them to choose those subjects that their neighbor also choose. And they choose their subject but they can't progress in the field. And after that they feel regard they feel anxiety. And they can't progress, so they change their subject after 12th pass. And
आफ्टर पासिंग
and
12th.
after passing 12th. And a student should consider that we should go in the field that we have a interest in this field. And students should enjoy in this field that they have chosen. and students choose any type of field according their ability.
According to,
That
दोहराया करो, according to their ability.
Yes, sir. According to their ability, so that they can achieve their goal and they can make their future bright and happy and enjoy and joyful, and every parents want to make us to make a children good in in further in further, and some parents, but some student don't but some student can't choose subject according to their, because some student have have money problem. That's why, so that they can't choose like science subject, because of it there are a lot of money,
There
and
is,
student want to a lot of money in progressing in the field of science, so that they don't choose this subject. They only take science. They only take arts, and some parents have a lot of money. They want to, sir, they want to become their in their in their children, and the parents want that our children should earn a lot of money in the future, so that they force them to choose this type of subject, and a student choose their subject according to their interest. That's it, sir.
वेरी गुड यार, आज तो बहुत अच्छा, ऐसे थोड़ा ध्यान से बोला करो बेटा, है ना, फिर आदत में आ जाएगी, फिर आदत में आ जाती हैं चीजें, समझ
Yes, sir.
हाँ, आदत में लानी है चीजों को बस। वैष्णवी,
Good evening, all of you. I'm Vaishnavi, and today our topic is how students choose the subject after 10th class. You know that every student, after passing the 10th class, he or she have the option to
as
choose, has to choose the option, has to option to choose the three faculties: arts, science, and commerce. And uh, and I'm telling about a example
an
of my
example
top.
बेटा,
I'm
about
telling
नहीं,
about an
हाँ, I am
example.
telling an example, about नहीं लगाना है यहाँ पे,
Okay.
हाँ,
I'm telling an
I am
example.
producing an example, I am giving an example, ठीक करो बेटा, थोड़ा सा, है ना बेटा, हाँ, रिकॉर्डिंग जरूर सुना
I'm
करो, पता चल
produ-
रहा है बेटा, हाँ बोलो
I'm
बेटा, थोड़ा सा,
producing
हाँ,
I'm producing an example of my topper Palak. You know, when she was in 10th class, she passed about 94% in the 10th,
she
and
got about 94%, she passed with 94%,
she passed with 94%. And you know, her parents, forced her to choose the science subject because uh, she got good marks in the excellent numbers in the science subject. So uh, she chose the she chose the science faculty. And after she attending the classes of science faculty, and she realizes that
that this faculty is not good for me, and I can't these subjects
I
like
can't go with these subjects. I can't go with
I
these
can't go
with these
I can't
subjects.
go with
These
I
subjects.
can't go with these subjects is,
Uh,
and so she realizes that I
realized. Okay, realize नहीं बोल
realized
सकता हाँ हाँ
so she realized that I chose the subject wrong, so I can't run this, and she left the faculty and
शाबाश हम्म
she chose the art faculty,
हम्म
and when and she felt very,
felt
she felt she felt very good in the arts faculty,
हम्म
so that's why she at the present time she runs the the art subjects, and according to me, parents should not force to their children uh, to choose the subjects according to them,
हम्म
and and uh, according to the interest of the students, uh, he or she chose their subject, and
choose. First form is choose.
the subject, and and I got I'm telling about my 10th class experience after I passed the 10th class. So I'm told about my parents.
I was sad.
I
I was
was
told भी हो सकता है. I was sad. मुझे कहा गया, मुझे बताया गया
I was
like that.
sad.
हाँ, कैसे वॉइस यूज हो गया यहाँ पे.
I was said to my parents that I will choose the uh, arts faculty because I'm very interested in this faculty, and I'm already decided that I will choose this faculty, and so my parents were agreed, and they understand my feelings, and so so I choose the arts faculty, and and you know that my favorite subject is English literature, so I love this subject, so I want to become a professor in this subject.
Very good.
So I want to success in this profession. So I do hard work in this subject, and so at last I want to say that choose the subject according to your interest. Thank you, sir. That's it.
शाबाश बेटा, very good. अब देख फीडबैक बहुत अच्छे से आने लग गया ना अब, है ना. लिसनिंग किया करो. Very good. खुशी.
Yes, sir. Hello and good evening to all of you. I'm Kushi Gujar. I'm telling about uh, how should we choose our subject after 10th class. You know very well there are a lot of pressure on a student.
Is आर नहीं, is pressure is uncountable. बोलो नहीं बात को,
Okay, sir.
रिकॉर्ड करूंगा, समझ में आएगा.
Yes, sir. Most of the parents have think that our child should do this, our child should do that. So, so they gave their dreams on
to their child. They don't think about a child interest. And after 10th class, we should choose our subject wisely and according to our interest, abilities, future goals, etc. We should not choose our subject uh, just because our friends are choosing this subject. We should choose our subject on our interest. And you know very well, every subject, different subjects have different fields. Like we want to become a engineer, doctor, so we should choose science. And we want to become business man, woman, and accountant. So we should choose art, commerce. And if we choose arts, so we 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 become writer, teachers, police, a lot of things. And after 10th class, we we have to face many problems. So that according to me, we choose arts. But that time I thought that I think we should choose science. But sometimes there are many issues. I have many issues, and students have many issues like coaching problems, money problems, etc. Because some subjects and at last I want to say that without interest, we shouldn't choose our subject. And we should take advice their teachers, our teachers, our friends, our parents. And 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 if we don't understand anything, so after 2 years we we can change our subject according their interest. That's it, sir.
शाबाश, बहुत बढ़िया, बहुत बढ़िया बोला, वेरी गुड। बस घबराया मत करो, धीरे धीरे चीजें आती हैं, मेरी थोड़ा फॉरेन लैंग्वेज, अपनी भाषा नहीं है, विदेशी भाषा है ये। बहुत अच्छा कर रहे हो, फिर भी आप लोग तरसते हैं लोग ऐसी अंग्रेजी बोलने के लिए, मालूम है आपको अच्छे तरीके से। सिमरन,
Yes, sir. Hey everyone, myself Simran, and today I am giving views of regarding this topic. So, what should we choose after 10th class? After 10th class, many students choose subjects regarding uh, their parents
according to according to their parents.
according to their parents and teachers. And many students, but some students choose subject for their comfort. I mean, they like that subject. They choose that subject,
Hmm.
and uh, but in Indian education, many parents want their child become a successful person. So they uh, that's why सर नकल करने को क्या बोलेंगे?
Eh?
सर नकल करने को
They copy.
that's why they copy others others child.
Okay, ठीक है, हाँ, ठीक है, other child. Okay, very good, very good. Keep it up. Continue.
And they they force their students for the choosing for the choosing
For choosing नहीं.
for choosing subjects whatever the student don't like that subject. And so that's why many students choose subjects whatever they don't like, but many students choose their favorite subject. And after 12th class after 12th class, if we like any if we like work any uh, arts field, so we should choose BA. And if we like business field, when we choose we should choose BBA and others, I don't know. And
बहुत अच्छा बोल रहा है बेटा, घबराए मत बिल्कुल भी. हाँ.
and if we like become a manager in any bank, yeah, if we like become any counter, so we should choose BTech and BCom. And many students choose whatever they like. They like doing in every day. And I also choose my favorite subject because I'm not intelligent. I'm not sorry. I have no a lot of knowledge, but I know whatever I choose, it is
Second form आएगी ना बेटा.
whatever I choose.
Chosen.
Whatever I chose, it is good for me because
Opted. You can also use opted. Opted. हाँ बोलो.
and it's it can't give any panic. And if you like their favorite subject, so you don't you don't panic for take your your thoughts regarding your choosing subject. You should also take your uh, opinion uh, on that on this topic, because the it's the it's also about your career. So you should choose your whatever you like.
शाबाश शाबाश वेरी गुड घबराए मत बिल्कुल भी हाँ
Yes. And if you decide the if you decide if you decided become any whatever you like, you definitely achieve your goals, because it's also depend on your mindset. That's it.
हाँ ऐसे बोला कर कॉन्फिडेंस के साथ ठीक है ना हाँ बहुत अच्छा वेरी गुड यस नाउ अनुज
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Andrew, and today the topic is the power of right choices. Yes, sir. So, in a human life, human suffers from different types of points where he he has to take one choice or even more. So, as we have talked yesterday about education system and how we suffer from this, so how we get through school, then college, then universities, and then we what we become. So there is a major point that we are talking about, which is like when we choose our subjects in 10th class or to be a student of a high school. So when we there are majorly three fields or three subjects that or three streams, I would say, which are science, commerce, and arts. So they different. Mm, they three. They all three fields bring you make you bring different at the different fields, and this is that is very important. For a student, because any choice or any choice that a student is going to take will matter forever in his life, because we whatever we are suffering from today is the result of the choices we have made so far, and how and what we will be in the future depends on how and what we are choosing right now or today. And there is a very important role of choices in anyone's life, and there is also a saying that when you are choiceless your efficiency improves, means that there is a student, and he is in 10th class, so he daily studies about 1 to 2 hours, but he can't do more than it, and because he is distracted. But when it's about the time of exams, so assume that tomorrow is exam, and you have to prepare today, so you would study about 5 to 6 hours, because your efficiency will improve, because you are choiceless, because tomorrow is your paper. So you will work harder in less time uh, as compared to your ordinary work. So it depends on a person what he is pursuing according to his interest, because we learn what we see, we learn what we speak, we learn uh, what we see, what we assume, or what we consume. That's it, sir.
वेरी गुड नाइस स्पीकिंग बेटा शाबाश यस हर्ष एंड देन अनु यस कम ऑन हर्ष Okay, Anu, come beta.
Yes, sir. Hello. Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. Today my topic is what sir has explained us for 11 minutes. So, as you know that in 10th we have to choose a subject, and in India, generally parents forced the children to take time.
पास्ट का सेंटेंस है, थॉट प्रेजेंट का है, पास्ट का है, थोड़ा सा फोकस करना है बेटा, है ना बेटा? बोलो बेटा.
Science or take math and like that type of subject. In the comparison of any relative, our neighbors, or anyone, our parents will सर क्या उसको बोलते हैं? दबाव देने को क्या बोलते हैं?
बेटा
नहीं, sorry sir, we are pressured by our parents to take this subject because of our child, the child of relative or the child of neighbors is an engineer or doctor. I like that type, but we are know that every parent choose the subject of the child. Child also take, and child also be what he or she want to be. Like, as you know, if I think my mother will force me for taking maths, but I never. My father will force me for science, but I take it because I like science. So, like that type of. So that's it.
शाबाश, थोड़ी सी लेंथ बढ़ाओ बेटा बोलने की, है ना बेटा? थोड़ी सी लेंथ बढ़ानी है बेटा बोलने की, है ना? Yes, come on, Harsh.
Yes, sir. Hello, good evening, everyone. My name is Harsh. Today I'm going to tell you about how to choose your stream. So, as we all know that we all are students and we have to one day choose, or many of you have chosen your streams. So, if you want to choose a best stream for you, then you should always think about it on the first hand only when you are going to school. Not in the first class, but in the sixth to seventh class, you should start thinking about your future subject that you will choose. Like if you want to choose maths, but your interest is if you want to choose maths, then you should have both things, interest and marks. Because I don't think that marks are important, but the society will think that if you are getting 45 and then you are taking maths, then it's also not good and not for you and not for the well-being of your life. So if you want to choose a best subject for you, then think about it from 7 to 8, and and the result of 10th matters in this only, that what stream you choose. Like if you are getting 30 marks in SST and you are getting 95 marks in science, then what you will choose? Obviously science, but some people think that SST is easy, so I will choose SST, and so that he can learn as well as get his career done in it. But they don't know that if you do not know basics of anything, then nothing can happen to you, nothing can happen of you. So you should always learn basics that you can learn only only in small classes, and then you can take your stream, and that's it, sir.
शाबाश, वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड. थोड़ी सी लेंथ बढ़ाओ बेटा, आजकल लेंथ कम होती जा रही है तुम्हारी, समझ रहे हो मेरी बात को? थोड़ी सी लेंथ बढ़ाओ बेटा. यस, ओके, थैंक यू वेरी मच.